It is crazy foggy downtown. The sun's barely even come up. Went ahead, I'm taking the 50mm for a walk today on the A6400. So, I mean, you can't even see the top of this building, which actually is kind of cool. I haven't used this lens in a long time. I wanted to use the 50mm just because I'm so used to using my like 17 to 7. Oh, this building is so, I don't even know if you'll be able to see any of that. Let's see if we can get this tower with the fog. Let's see if this is the spot. And see if we don't get hit by a car. Oh, nope, that was a bad picture. Okay, here we go. Okay, we can work with, one of those has to be something. I hope. We'll find out. I want to see if I can get a car going through here. Let's see, Waymo. But even like more. We're gonna really go for it. Let's really crank it down. I don't know. Oh my God, my leg. Ugh. See if any of those come out as something. Probably not, but we'll see. That's the beauty of trying to figure this out, is I suck at it. It's so weird switching to this lens and not being able to just adjust it. All right, we're gonna try to get a car from this way. See if any of those, I mean, sorta one, but it doesn't look good actually. But at least I got like the car to kind of freeze in there, which is cool. But you know, sometimes you think of it in your head and you go, that would be cool, and then you do it and you go, oh, that sucks. The motion blur stuff though is something I'm trying to get better at because it looks so cool, but during the daytime it's so hard. At nighttime, not as bad, but during the day, Jesus Christ, it's hard. See if I can get a picture of this bird. Oh, don't focus on the chair. All right, come on. Right. So. But I want it, God. Why won't it go? Nifty. I don't know. Could be cool. I'm always trying to use like the trash cans. All right. Well, it's early in the morning and I've walked around the block a number of times. So hopefully some of those actually come out.